birds are very around the world. These birds can fly in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and China, including here and Hong And here goes Steve. They are no longer known as Lawin or but known in Indian region. As you can see, we are a home station. Home station means home devotee, meaning they will generate turbulence, gas, and heat. Our water rockers and our homing season. Here at the Ocean Bar, we believe that there is hope.
No.
The only natural nature are ready to see, but we're also who are land and air after us. Now guys, who knows the deal? It's the dream to use and let's go where they go. Here's the rubber monkey and we know what rubber See, if our lovers can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in their own way, no matter how small they are, or expressing outside seeing them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all go about saving the world because remember, this is the only home with God. Now let me present here the birds entertainers who made this show possible.
Dalawa na yung lawin.
Chris Sao.
Dalawa na yung lawin.
Here Mark with Sassy. Here Derek with Rocky. Here Baby with Wolf. Here Vina with Shadow. Here April with Steve. And once again, I'm here Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way guys, please remain in your seats because we'll have a running show. Thank you.
Eden. Eden.
Here, laser sharp teeth
No, Eden.
and size that range from about 2 feet. Their remarkable eyesight allows them
No.
to see. So once again, their birds black dot bogart with trainer Mars. So this time, I need a senior adult volunteer. Okay, let's wait for a volunteer.
Eden. Eden. Isa pa, Eden. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa, Eden. Eden. As you can see from their mother, they can follow back to the west. Baba ka din, baba ka.
All you have to do is to stand steady, look at the camera, you don't have to stand on the camera. Look at your camera and smile. Okay, round of applause for volunteer and sunshine. And last question, how was the experience?
Eden, balik ka na.
Now let's present to you the animals and the critters that made this show possible. Trainer first